Yeah, I'm here with Chris today, doing a quick demo of my app CodeCity, which is a co-op game between VR and the browser to learn the basics of programming. So, Chris,
Hello.
you're on the website right
Yep.
now? Cool. I'm just entering the game on my side. Can you start?
All right. I'll scroll
And
down and I'll sign in.
cool. So, uh, um, I'm here in my room in Code City. Um, right, Chris, I'm gonna give you a code right now.
Okay. I can see. Yeah, where I need to enter.
So I'm just calling you on my virtual phone here, and the code is PFP,
PFP.
yeah,
Yep.
B70,
0 or O.
like O for Oscar.
Okay.
So
And
Bob 7
capitals?
Oscar.
Is it capitals or
It's all
lowercase?
lowercase.
Okay. All right. I'm joining. I'll allow it to use my webcam.
Yeah. All right. Cool. So yeah, there I can see you. Wave to the camera. Nice. And right, so now, if you look on your screen, you should see me in VR. I'm
Uh-huh.
this dude standing here.
Yep. I can see you moving around.
All right. So basically, we have to solve this quest together. Um, and you have to basically program part of the world for me. So on your screen, you should see a little program,
Yep.
the program that controls the door.
Let door lock true.
All right. So what do you think you should like? How can you change the code for the door to be unlocked?
I think I'll change it to false.
All
That's
right.
the program.
So you just click it to false, and then you click upload code.
Yep. I'm clicking
So
that.
once you've uploaded it, I'm gonna run it on my side, and if you did it correctly, the door opens. Yeah, there we go.
Hey.
So there I can go through the door into the next room.
Yep.
And here we're at the next puzzle, which is basically a elevator. So, can you see me here in front of the elevator?
Yep. You're
All
moving and
right.
waving.
So, what does the program say?
It says let doors open equals false. I'm gonna change that to true so you
All
can
right.
hear. Uploading
Yeah.
code.
So
Upload
far
successful.
we're. Well, let me run it. And oh, there the door goes open, and I'm running in.
Alright, the elevator door closed and you're going through.
All right. And here I am outside. So I've exited my apartment, and let me select the soda machine. So
Alright, I see you and the guy on the street
so
next to you.
there's some cars over there. I see there's two cops.
Hey,
All I can see the
can you
homeless
get me a
guys. Yeah, I can see
soda?
there. Look.
All
If you
right.
get me a soda, I'll tell you how to get rid of those guards over there.
All right. So the guy who's sitting here said if I get him a soda, he'll tell me how to get rid of the police guards that are standing over there. So on your screen, you should see a program that controls the soda machine.
Yep.
Um, right. So you need to hack the machine because I don't have any money with me. You need to hack the machine so I can get a soda for free.
Yeah. Okay. So should I change the price to 0?
Yeah, try that.
Alright, I'm uploading code.
Okay. So you've changed the price to 0. Let me run the code on my side. Oh yeah, there's a soda. Let me grab the soda.
Yeah, I can see you grabbing it.
All right, there I got it, and let me give it to the guy.
Thank you.
There we go.
Alright, I can see him drinking it.
All right.
Oh, oh yeah. The guards. So, behind me to the right, you see a monitor with the words all clear.
Alright.
If you can
What is
change
he
those
saying now?
words to say report to office, the guards
Okay.
are gonna leave.
So it says on the screen. So there's basically a screen over there,
I can
the
kinda see
monitor.
it. Yeah, there we go. Now it's showing me it.
All right. So it said the monitor. The words on the screen should say report to office.
So should I change it
So
to report to office?
yeah, report to office. I think with a capital R and a capital
Oh,
O. Yeah.
alright. Uploading it.
All right. Let me run it. Oh, oh yeah, there they go. The guards are leaving. Nice.
They are? Alright.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is basically how far I've come with the puzzles. The next one is the ATM machine.
I can see it and you, and I can
Yeah.
see the
Is the
edits.
yeah. But yeah, the ATM machine. What does the program say?
It says let pin equals read pin. Then the next line let amount equals read amount, and then a space, and then the fourth line withdraw amount dot pin in brackets.
Okay. All right. So how can we basically get free money out of here? What's your idea to hack the machine to make it give us free money?
So pin equals read pin, amount equals read amount, withdraw. I guess I could make amount equal like 100 and then withdraw that. I haven't coded in like a few months now.
Yeah. 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 Try that.
So should I make the amount equal 100?
Make the amount equal like 1,000. I don't know. I need more money.
Okay. And the pin equal, I'm gonna make the pin 1010.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm uploading code.
Let me try. Run.
So the pin is 1010 and the amount is 1000.
Yeah, I didn't get any money out yet.
Dang.
Maybe just take the pin thing out completely.
Just no pin.
Yeah.
And then withdraw amount and then just no pin to make it draw amount.
Yeah.
Alright, code is stuck on uploading. That seems like a bug. Should I try restarting the website?
No, it's fine. Yeah, so I mean this last puzzle I'm still busy coding it, but yeah, that's the idea of the game. So far what I basically have, yeah, are these couple of puzzles. Um, yeah, and I'll still expand it a little more, but the idea is basically to, yeah, have this co-op environment where you have players on VR and players on the browser that are cooperating to solve these puzzles. Yeah, so what did you think of the coding exercises? Think it's a good way to learn coding?
Yeah, definitely. I started remembering a lot of the stuff I forgot over the summer.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think it would be a
Cool.
good way to learn. I understood that like the doors are closed, true. So to make them open, you just say false.
Yeah.
So then
All
they'll
right.
load open. Yeah, I understood all that.
Nice. Yeah, and then yeah, so the idea of the look of the game, I tried to go for a kind of 90s look, kind of for you on the browser, it should look like a nice game from the 90s in this whole Sierra era of games.
Yeah, I can see the lines and the.
Yeah. And yeah, so you should see me dancing right now.
I'm looking at the ADM right now.
Oh,
Just
now you're looking at the soda machine?
yeah, and see the guy with his bottle. Yeah, see you dancing around. Yeah, it does kind of look like a Sierra.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, cool. So thanks for helping me test this.
Yeah, that's a
And
pleasure.
yeah, we'll keep updating as the game develops further.
Yeah. All right.
Cool.